my darlings, I'm upside down again. For those of you who saw last week's video, I have actually been the right way up since then. And for those of you who are new to my wonderful channel, my beautiful channel, where I share so many therapies for free with you all because I care, you might just think I do all my videos upside down. I don't. I promise you I don't. I do some the right way up. But the reason I'm like this is because I am pretending that behind me is a wall. You don't have to have a wall. You can just rest against a sofa. You can rest against a massage bed. You can rest your legs against a bookshelf, you know, wherever you are. But ideally a wall, just stick a cushion underneath your head if you want it. And what this does is it lowers your heart rate and blood pressure. Now, I love Christmas. I get so excited about it. I'm actually a tiny bit unbearable. And one year I clapped to hymns and carols so loudly in my bath that I got out with swollen hands. So excitement can be too much, but also stress. You know, Christmas is not always easy for people. And especially this year where we're all struggling financially and we can't put our heating on and times are really tough. So it can be really stressful. And even if you're not autistic or neurodivergent, you can hit that feeling of just overload, meltdown, just, you can. Even if it's an excited, which is usually me. When you do this, it calms everything down. You just put your arms out by your sides and everything settles, everything grounds. It's really good for the vestibular system, like the things I showed you last week, which is all about movement. Really good for meltdowns, hyposensitivity, and underactive vestibular system, which is all about movement. But it's also fantastic for sleep, for calming the whole nervous system, and for improving digestion and relieving headaches. So doing this for a few minutes every day has amazing benefits, whether you're neurodivergent or neurotypical. Also, if you get varicose veins or swollen ankles, it's also good for that. So you can just literally rest your legs against a wall, put your arms out like a lovely big star, and breathe. And all the blood goes to your core. Instead of rushing to all your muscles because you're in fight or flight, it pumps to the core. Oh, and another really exciting thing, darlings, is 90% of our serotonin is in our gut. So when you're like this, it's flowing up to the brain and saying, come on, brain, let's fill with all those things that help with mental health, self-esteem, confidence, happiness. That's what serotonin is all about. And dopamine, that fabulous, it's my favourite neurotransmitter, which is all about that feeling of reward, perspective, clear thinking, productivity, all those things we need when we're feeling we're hitting that red zone, that dreaded red zone. We're just going to bring it back to blue or green, ideally blue. We're in a state of calm. So it's wonderful. Helps with the digestive system too, by the way, and really, really helps to boost just that calm, restorative feeling so that you can embrace your Christmas in a beautiful, calm way. But it's also good not just at Christmas, it's good all year round. I do it a lot. A few minutes every day does wonders. The only time you can't do it, and I'm really sorry, the only contraindication is if you're epileptic because you can't have your feet above your head. So I'm really sorry about that. I'll think of a different one for you for next week that includes people with epilepsy as well. Because everything I share on here, I like to be as inclusive as possible. If you have a child who is neurodivergent and they're hitting that meltdown, they just think it's great fun. And actually, quite often they want to be upside down anyway. Have you noticed they might sit on chairs a bit sideways or upside down or hang off sofas? This is really good for them. And as a parent, it's good for you too. Do it with them. Stick your legs up against the wall all together. They will love it. Calms, restores, and helps you breathe. So have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, and I will see you in 2023. I can't wait. I've made myself cough. Big love heart, everybody. See you soon.